Hey guys, GadgetmanTwinCities here today. I was out mowing my lawn and it started to rain. So I got soaking wet, but I was able to finish one tank of gas on this Toro Lawn Mower, which lasted for 42 minutes. And today I am going to put the groove on this lawnmower and see if we can get some more performance and a little more time on a tank of gas. So I'll just start tearing it apart and I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, I got the carburetor off. There's a teeny little butterfly valve in there. Vroom vroom, see? We're going to put the groove on her and see what happens. Just thought I'd give you a shot of the carburetor off the engine. There you go. Alright, she's back together again, and I need to put some gas in and give her a shot here. Yeah, I'm going to pause this while I pour the gas. Alright, she's filled up to the top. Push the ball a couple times. Let's give it a shot here. Sounds the same. Well, it looks like the rain has stopped and everything's dried up again, so I can go back out and mow. So let's see what we get. I'll be back. Okay, finally done. And here's what we got after the groove. 1 hour, 57 minutes, and 55 seconds. The first tank of gas lasted for 42 minutes. 1 hour, 57 minutes, and 55 seconds after the groove. On Toro self-propelled mulching. I don't know the size of the engine, but that is remarkable. If you need your lawnmower done and you want to get farther and more blades of grass cut on your lawnmower, come and see me. GadgetmanTwinCities.com.